Hey guys, on today's video we're taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. Our second tab will say battle pass. From here, remember to claim all your regular rewards, that's right here, before you can move on to bonus rewards. Once you have claimed all those, you can move on to bonus rewards. Obviously we have to claim all these pages, page 3 and so on, before we can hit page 4. So right now we're on page 4. In order to unlock this one right here, this skin, we do have to go through all of these first. Now instead of claiming one at a time, we can just press square in order to claim the entire page. Just hold on to X and we're gonna get everything right here. So right now we're claiming this. We can equip or just go next. We're gonna go next, next, and next. So we got all these skins from right here. Again, we are just gonna claim or you can equip. It's up to you. So once again, right now we have this style for this skin. We have this style. We've just got this style. This one right here. And finally, this style we also have. So if we go back to our locker, we're going to be able to see all of those. So we can move on to page number 5. Now same deal, page number 5 just became unlocked because we got everything from page number 4. So once again, in order to claim this last skin right here, this style for the skin, we do need to claim every single one. We're going to do the same thing, claim the entire page. So we just press square in order to do that. And now we just got everything from here. Does include this, and this right here. We're just gonna claim it all, and there we go. So once again, we just got this skin style, this style, this style, and we got this style as well because we came unlocked. So we can move on to page number 6 and the final page. Once again, in order to unlock this, we're gonna have to do the same thing, unlock every single thing. Just going to claim pages. We're gonna hold on to, and then we're gonna see that we just claimed everything from here. So we got this. We're just gonna equip, and equip, and equip. Same thing if we do claim, by the way. So what we did was just get this awesome style. We did also get the style for this skin right here, which looks awesome. Let's not forget about this one. And finally, this one became unlocked, and we finally have it. So we can just go back right now. We're just done with our bonus rewards. That's it. That's page number 6. And by the way, in order to claim everything, you have to be level 200. Don't really look at how many battle stars you have. Just look at your level. As long as you're level 200, you get to claim everything and you're good to go. So I am wearing the latest style for this skin. However, I can go to my locker. And if I want to change the style for this skin, for example, I can just click on it. I can edit the style. And here it is. Here's the last style for it, plus all the other styles. And you can do that for every single skin that we just got. We do have several styles for every single one of them. Now here's another example, another skin that we have. We're just gonna edit the style. And we did get this style for it, this style, and this style from bonus rewards. We can always equip, save it, and there we go. But anyways, if you guys would like to find out how to level up to level 200 in under 14 days, then make sure to check out my video that I made. And that would be it for this video. Anyways, that would be it. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.